Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download and create CapCut account on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download CapCut, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar simply type in CapCut and look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then simply tap on the app and then tap on the get button right here and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on the open app, and then once you're inside here on your home screen, what you need to do is simply tap on the me icon right here, or you'll be prompted to open an account. Now what you need to do here is, if you don't have an account, simply tap on sign in with account, and there you'll find an option that says sign up. Simply tap on that, and then when you open CapCut, all you gotta do is log in with your created account. You have sign up options from phone number, email address, Google account to Apple ID. Choose the method you prefer and then follow the on-screen instructions, and once logged in you can start editing and creating your videos right away. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.